So we have this car here, Toyota Camry, not starting. So I discovered that the Kickstarter was not kicking. It was not picking. It's not working. So need to bring out the starter. So I take off the safe starter. So this is the starter. You can see the position here. So I need to open inside and know what is actually the problem. So you can see the carbon brush. This is the carbon brush. Gets spoiled. You can see. So here are the new one. So this is the new one. I have to change. So I fix the carbon brush. So this is diameter after some paper. So you have to, and here back side there is the key here. So this is the key. Okay. This is the key. It's in here. You see the key? So I covered it. So now is the time to fix it on the car. Okay, so it goes like this. You make sure that here go inside. Okay, you can see. So tie the damn bolt with this 14. Okay, to tie the damn bolt with this 14 goes like this. Comes in here. You can see. You can see the 12 bolt. You can see that is the starter wire. Okay, we test our work. Okay, so now it's time to start. Break down. Start button. 100%. Okay.